I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your notes, lessons, or study materials into interactive flashcards using ChatGPT and Canva AI. Even if you're a complete beginner with zero design or coding experience. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start with preparation. First, head over to ChatGPT and paste all the items you want to turn into flashcards. These can be terms and definitions or questions and answers. If you want to make things easier, you can ask ChatGPT to organize everything into a clear format before moving on. Once your content is ready, ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt that will turn those items into flashcards using Canva AI. Next, go to your Canva account. On the home page, click Canva AI, then select Canva Code. Paste the prompt you generated and press Enter. Canva will start generating your flashcard experience automatically. When it's done, test the flashcards to make sure everything is working properly. If you're satisfied, click Publish. Canva will automatically assign a domain, but you can change it if you want. Before publishing, click Settings and toggle on Google Search Visibility if you want your flashcards to be discoverable. Once everything is set, hit Publish, and your flashcards will go live as a website ready to share or use anytime. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. Make sure to watch the next video to learn how to improve your flashcards and use Canva AI more effectively. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.